Paint a sunset onto each of your nails. Do this by wiping the brush of your red nail polish almost clean until you are almost dry brushing your nail. Then, at the bottom of your nail, gently stroke upwards. Don't go too far, just about a centimeter or so. Get right into the corners. Then, take a very clear pink, almost see-through, and paint over your whole nail, pulling the red down to blend into a beautiful pinky red sunset. Do this for each of your nails. Create a small flock of small birds on your ring finger. Create them by using a striper brush in black. To show them with their wings in the up position, draw a V. To show them with their wings in the down position, draw an A without the horizontal line. To draw them flying, draw them like that. Create several to create your flock, and in random order looks best. Do that on your ring finger. Keep this on each nail, growing less and less, until by your thumb there should only be about 3 birds. And there you go. Apply a top coat, and your sweet flocking birds in a beautiful sunset is done.